fix message unavailable and Instagram notification problems. So if there are messages that are unavailable and it's showing Instagram notification issues, the first thing you can try to do is long press the Instagram app if you're using on Android. Tap this I button to come to the app info page, and from here you can scroll down to storage, where you can clear the cache files and you can clear the data, which will reset the app, by the way. Once you've done that, go to your Instagram app and go to your profile, then tap the three lines icon from the top right hand side. To fix a notification issue, go to notifications and make sure you've allowed notifications from any site of functions that you want. If there is a messaging limitation imposed on your account, scroll down to the bottom and tap on the option account status, and here tap on remove content and messaging issues. So if there's any messaging issues, you'll be able to remove them from here as well. Go to your Play Store or App Store, search for the Instagram app, check if it has an update. If it does, then make sure to update it to the latest version. And hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as these.